So you're talking to a prospect and all of a sudden they ask, how much money do you make? How do you respond to the question, how much money do you make? What would make someone ask you a weird question like that? In this video, I'm going to explain what to say when someone asks you how much money are you making in your business, and I'll also explain why someone would even ask such a personal question like that, and I'm going to do that right now. Hey there, what is going on? Fiso Mhlongo here, Njomani Kamkapi, and welcome to another quick tip video. If you want to learn how to grow your network marketing business or anything else that's related to network marketing, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can get notified when a new video is published. And if you are on mobile, you can use the link on the video description below to subscribe. So you are explaining your business opportunity to someone and all of a sudden they ask, how much money are you making with this business? You know, a lot of network marketers usually get this question because they don't have confidence when they are talking to their prospects. You know, and this usually happens when you are trying to convince someone to join your business. You know, when you are trying to convince someone, you are operating from a position of weakness. So if someone asks you, how much money have you made so far? You could respond, good question, Thabo, but let me ask you a question. How much of my money can you spend? And Thabo says, none. So Thabo, it doesn't matter how much money I make because you can't spend any of my money. Isn't that right, Thabo? And Thabo says, yes, exactly, Thabo. So which products would you like to buy? Another way to handle that question is to say, I'm doing great. I'm working with someone who makes 7 figures a year and he's teaching me exactly how he did it so that I can do the same thing. You know, the key is to make sure that you are always enthusiastic and excited. Whatever you do, make sure that you don't lie to anyone because it'll make you feel bad and it'll also make you look bad when they find out. And they will find out if you are lying. What if someone asks, how are you doing with that thing you are in? If your family and friends ask you this question, a lot of times it's because they don't think you are going to do well with it or stick with it. But the same rules apply. Be excited, be enthusiastic, and don't lie. You need to remember the stories of people who are getting results so that you can use them. It doesn't matter if it's a testimonial about someone making money or getting results with the product. You know, the truth is that most people don't care about your results. They only want to know that a lot of people are doing well, which would give them the belief that they can do well too. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel so that you can get notified when a new video is published, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers.